like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been.
Hi guys, my name is Kayla, and today we're just going to be adding beads to the end of my jumbo braids. So this is very easy. Okay, so today I will be using these right here and some ribbons. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put 3 on each one. So that's what I'm gonna do. You take the end of the braid, you curve it just like this, and then do a hole. I should put 2 on each one, and then you pull the end out, and then bring it down to where you want it. Pull that hair out, wrap it around the last bead, then take a rubber band and tie it tightly around the bead. And then pull the other one back down. It looks like this. Okay.
When nigga main bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look great, this